Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to pair your headphone SONY WI-C310 to your iOS device. You have to start by open settings, then go to Bluetooth. Now press and hold power button in the middle until you can see that that light is flashing blue. Right here. So now we can see our device and click on it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!